Okay, last page of this chapter 4 exam review. We want some more exact values. Cotangent of negative 135. Well, here we go. Unit circle. Negative 135 is, there's negative 90. Negative 135 is right here. My coordinates, negative square root of 2 over 2, comma, negative square root of 2 over 2. Again, if we want cotangent, this divided by this, same thing as cotangent of 225. The answer is 1. Same thing on top and bottom. Number 21, the cosecant of 270. 270 is, well, I'll draw another one. 270 is right down there. That's point over 0, down 1. Cosecant is 1 over sine. At this point, sine is negative 1. So, 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1. Number 22, the exact value of the secant 2 pi over 3. Knowing your unit circle is important. 2 pi over 3 is right here. That's the point. Negative 1/2, comma, square root of 3 over 2. Secant, again, is 1 over cosine. Cosine here is negative 1/2. Okay, so you can do 1 over negative 1/2, or just know that you flip the reciprocal of this, which would be negative 2. Number 23, the domain of the cosine function. Well, you think about the cosine function. It's a curve that goes, without labeling it, on and on and on and on, and it keeps going. So the domain, the x values, are all real numbers. The range of the sine function and cosine function, for this case, they're the same. They never go higher than 1 or lower than negative 1. So the range between negative 1 and 1. The range of the tangent function, if you recall the graph of the tangent function, this is a rough sketch. Looks like this. You have asymptotes at every half, and it just keeps going. So the range, these go up and down forever, all real numbers for tangent. Two measures where tangent is undefined. In order for tangent to be undefined, you must have a 0 in the denominator. Since tangent is sine divided by cosine, this question is basically asking you, where is cosine equal to 0? Well, if you think about the unit circle, we have zeros at these 4 places. Cosine is the x, so the 2 places where cosine is 0, 90 degrees and 270 degrees. If you wanted to put that in radians, you could say pi over 2 radians and 3 pi over 2 radians. Number 27, two measures where cotangent is undefined. Well, cotangent is a reciprocal, so it's cosine over sine, so this is like asking you where is sine 0. Well, sine is the y, sine is 0 here and here, so in degrees you could say 0 degrees, or 180 degrees, or 360 degrees for that matter. This could be 0 or 360. As far as radians go, pi and 2 pi are 2 places where that's the case. Okay. Last one, number 28. You want to graph cosine. My best advice to you, if you don't recall how this looks off the top of your head, is all you need to know are these 4 points. I just put them up here, but I'll do them again. 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, 0, 0, negative 1. Okay, so to start off, cosine is 1. By pi over 2, cosine is 0. By pi, cosine is negative 1. By 3 pi over 2, cosine's back to 0. And then at 2 pi, cosine's back to 1. Going in the other direction, if I go back this way, negative pi over 2, cosine's 0. Negative pi, cosine's negative 1. And you start to see the pattern to fill it out. Here you go. And then you want to add a curve into that. There you go. There's a pretty good sketch of the cosine curve. That concludes the Chapter 4 review.